Science presentation. Getting to know plants. Herbs. Plants with the green and tender stems are called herbs. They are usually short and may not have branches. They are food, flavoring, medicine, and perfume. Example herbs. Example hibiscus. Scrubs. Some plants have the stem branching out near the base. The stem is hard but not very thick. Such plants are called shrubs. An area of a cultivated shrubs in park or a garden is known as shrubbery. Trees. Some plants are very tall and have hard and thick brown stem. The stems have branches in the upper part much above the ground. Such plants are called trees. Climbers and creepers. Climbers. Plants that take support on neighboring structures and climb up are called climbers. Creepers. Plants with weak stems cannot stand upright and spread on the ground are called creepers. Stems. The stem help the water and minerals to go to the leaves and other plant parts attached to the stem through narrow tubes inside them. Leaves. A leaf is an organ of a plant. The part of the leaf by which is attached to the stem is called petiole. The brown green part of the leaf is called lamina. The lines on the leaves are called veins, and the thick vein in the middle is called midrib. The design made by the veins in a leaf is called veination. Transpiration. Water comes out of leaves in the form of vapor by the process called transpiration. Plants release a lots of water into the air through the process. Photosynthesis. Leaves prepare their food in the presence of sunlight and a green colored substance present in them. For this, they use water and carbon dioxide from air. This process is called photosynthesis. Oxygen is given out the process. The food prepared by the leaves ultimately gets stored in different parts of plants as stretch, root, helps in holding the plant firmly in the soil. They are said to anchor the plant to the soil. Hope you all understood my presentation. Thank you.
So
Okay,
the
Vaiguri.
spelling mistakes were
Okay,
there.
so there
It
is
is
no
good,
need of
but
telling leaf
yes.
donation and all, but anyway, only little parts enough to say, but it's okay. Okay,
Yes, ma'am,
Vaiguri.
it's okay.
So
Yeah,
this time
thank
you
you.
succeeded. Okay, congrats.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
One more seminar is
So,
there, ma'am.
Amna Fatima was present no, today. Amna Fatima.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you conduct your seminar in the first term?
I have saved my seminar, but currently I don't have the laptop with me. I've done in the laptop.
Okay, Abna. Okay, so
Next
no
class,
problem. After I
probably I
complete
get
the
my
chapter, now you have to do another portion, not the previous portion. Okay, because we are much ahead of it. Okay,
which one,
so
ma'am? The previous portion.
in this, after I complete the chapter, page number 60 you have to do, Amna. Page number 60, flower. Parts of the flower and its function. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah. Then where is Anha Fatima? Because these are the some students supposed to present the seminar in the beginning, but they did not present it.
Then that day I wasn't present, but I've already done the seminar.
Okay, fine, no problem. So now you have to prepare for this flower and parts of the flower in this chapter, page number 170. After I complete the class, okay. Yes. What about this Anha Fatima? Because these are the two people are pending in between. When I was taking.
Was not present in any class, ma'am.
Okay. So how we make her to do the seminar? Okay, I'll try to contact her. Okay, children. So now we are coming to what was the last topic we discussed?
Seminar, dear.
Okay, Dia, we can postpone it next class because let me take some topics. Otherwise, we will miss that. Okay, Dia. Okay. Dia and Ishal also, no? Two people. Isha. Yeah, Isha. Isha Binoy.
Isha finished the seminar.
Isha took the seminar.
Only Dia had some network issue you face, no? Dia.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Can I do it?
Dia, isn't your network is okay? Let her finish. Otherwise, she will have a little tension. Okay, you start doing then. Let her finish it off now. Okay, finish. No problem. Otherwise, there will be a tension, no?
Hello.
Dia. Yes. Dia?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. You are
Yeah.
there, no? You can start now. Yes, you can start.
Ma'am, Dia is muted.
Dia is muted.
Dia is muted.
Yeah, you are Dia know it.
Dia unmute.
Ma'am, can
What happened, Dia? You are able to unmute? Hello?
she's unmuted, but she's facing network issue.
The network issue.
Good morning.
Creep.
What's this? Some power.
Gone, I think. That's why I thought network
Ma'am,
issue she
heavy
is
network
facing.
issue.
Ma'am, she is not connected to audio, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
So which are the parts of the leaf?
Midrib.
Midrib, vein, leaf stalk,
Midrib lamina.
And middle.
Okay, lamina, vein, midrib,
Midrib, leaf
or
stalk.
petiole. Now we are moving to learn each part separately. The first one, what you learn is lamina. What do you mean by the lamina? The flat
lamina.
green part of the leaf is called the lamina. Can you write it?
Yes, ma'am.
The flat. Can you see the slide?
Yes,
In
ma'am.
that,
Yes,
in that what I rounded, I'll round with another pen. So the flat green part of the leaf is called the lamina or leaf blade. So that is the definition of lamina.
We have to write the topic lamina.
Yeah. In your today's date, and then you put the heading lamina. The flat green part of the leaf is called the lamina.
We should write the flat green part of the leaf is called lamina.
Yes, yes, yes. Who is that? Hello, muted. Who is that?
I'm Anthony. I'm not Anthony. Ambrose.
Some brother, some boy sound I heard. Who is that?
And that
Next
is
heading, veins. What do you mean by the veins? Veins is the narrow roots on the leaf. Veins. Next part. What do you mean by veins? It is the narrow roots on the leaf. Veins are the narrow roots on the leaf.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we can also write the lines on the leaf are called veins.
Lines we don't call. It's not a line. Okay. So actually, the veins have a very important function on the leaves. Okay, because it helps. Yeah.
kitchen of the plant.
It helps in carrying the nutrients on
It
the
helps
parts
in
of
making
the leaf.
food.
Yes, and also making food. Storing it.
Photosynthesis.
That is
Yeah.
photosynthesis. That's a function
is-
of the leaves. Okay. Have you completed the veins?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, shall we go to midrib?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
We can go to the middle.
Next is midrib. Midrib is the thick and broad vein or root. It is the thick and broad vein or root on the leaf. On the leaf, the thick and broad vein or root on the leaf. That is midrib. Then comes to petiole. Petiole or leaf stalk. The short and thick stalk to which a leaf is attached. The short and thick stalk, STLK, stalk to which a leaf is attached. The leaf is attached is known as petiole or leaf stalk. So entire leaf, veins, midrib, everything is attached to the leaf stalk or petiole.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay. Everyone completed?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. 1 second.
Okay.
Ma'am, what is leaf is?
Attached.
Okay, ma'am.
ATT. Oh, that is gone. ATT.
Finish, ma'am.
Thick
Going to underline.
stalk is attached. Okay, next heading, leaf venation. What do you mean by leaf venation? It is the design of the leaf. It is the design or structure of the leaf. So we can see each type of leaf has different structure and their veins, everything is connected differently. Okay. They are all spread on the leaf, but the way it connected. Like a small leaf, the veins are more narrow. Big leaf, the veins are more thicker. So that you mean by the leaf venation. It is the design or structure of the leaf. So by looking at the
ma'am.
leaf, you can see the color, texture, how they are, and the root, how the how much thick is the midrib, how much narrow is the vein,
Yeah,
like
it's
that.
just the
So
size and all.
yes. Now this leaf venation
Yes.
is different. Mainly we have two types of leaf venation. One is known as parallel venation and another.
Ma'am, your voice is low.
Voices
Ma'am,
low.
voice is low.
Reticular pressure. No.
Your voice is low.
Can I rub it now?
Yes, ma'am. Now it's clear.
I'm going to make it big. So I hope you have written what is leaf venation. So there are types of leaf venation. All of you, please write the heading on the slide. Types of leaf venation. The first leaf
Yes,
venation
ma'am.
we can give is as parallel venation. So first parallel venation and second type reticulate venation. Reticulate venation. Reticulate venation.
Ma'am, can you write what is on the slide?
Yes. But before that, I have told you to some of you to bring some broad leaves and some are long leaves. How many is having it?
Rudra.
Rudra. Okay. Freya is having, where is Rudra? Okay. 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Then who is that? Rizino. Someone was holding it.
Cheryl Mary have it.
Ma'am, Rizzi.
Rizine. Okay.
Ma'am, I have a parallel venation.
Bhuvanalakshmi. Okay. Then who is
Ma'am, we can't hear you.
the next person?
Ma'am, we can't hear you.
Ma'am, I have a parallel venation.
Where are you? Where are you? I have not seen. Rudra? Rudra? Someone is having, no? Apart from this, who else is having?
Ma'am, Cheryl is having a parallel venation.
Where is Cheryl? Cheryl,
Ma'am, you haven't
Aditya,
spotlighted.
Angelina, Joe, Simon, Ammu, Ambrose, Tanya. Okay.
Cheryl is showing now.
Okay, I'm just looking at her. I wanted to spotlight her, but I cannot see her.
Ma'am, go to participants and also do the same thing.
Then search for her.
Go to participants and spotlight them.
Take
Yeah.
gallery. Take gallery view and
Yeah, ma'am. No,
Cheryl is stuck.
Then spotlight.
Stuck it. Okay, sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Cheryl.
Yes, ma'am.
Cheryl is stuck. All that. It's almost dried. Cheryl,
Yes, ma'am.
almost
I
dried.
took it. Yes, ma'am. I took it on 8th.
Ah.
8th or 1st of Monday.
Okay, so you can see all 4 of you leaves with them. And can you raise it up? Okay. So you can see what do you mean by okay, what do you mean by parallel venation? If you look at Racine, Bhuvanalakshmi, show your leaf. Yeah. So this is known as what Shreya, Racine and Bhuvanalakshmi is having. That is known as reticulate venation. Okay. So Racine, only one you show me. You are showing 2. Only one you show. Yes. Okay. Okay, that is your plantain leaf, no? Okay, that leave it. Shreya show. Shreya and Bhuvanalakshmi. What they are having is known as reticulate venation. You can see on this, the veins are arranged in a web form. Web form is from, if you look at the Shreya's, this thing, you can see from each vein, there are different branches are going. Look at the Bhuvanalakshmi's also. So, you can see a lot of small veins are going from each vein. So that is net like a web. So that is known as reticulate venation. Bhuvanalakshmi and Shreya is having reticulate venation leaves. Now Cheryl's, if you look at Cheryl's long leaf, it is dried. That is why it is not visible. And look at the Racine's. Racine has also got veins on the plantain leaf. They are parallel. If you look at each line, what you see, that is the veins of the plantain leaf. Okay. They are parallel to one another. So these are known as parallel venation. And for Cheryl's, it is dried, but you can see some of the veins are parallel to one another. Okay. So this is the difference between reticulate venation and
Mom, I have got a long leaf.
yeah, all the long
I
leaves.
cannot see
Yeah,
anything.
all majority, all the leaf,
have
long leaf has got parallel venation. Okay.
Parallel venation.
Yes. So now it is clear. What do you
Yes,
mean
ma'am.
by
Parallel
parallel
venation,
venation, reticulate
reticulous,
venation?
reticulate venation, and
So
parallel.
now you can write what do you mean by parallel and
Ma'am,
reticulate.
you are not liking Bhuwana.
Okay. Okay, Shreya, you can keep it down now. Okay. Others, now you can write the definition of parallel venation and reticulate venation. Already you understood what you mean by it. Clear?
Ma'am,
Okay.
you have spotlighted Bhuvan Lakshmi. Can you remove it?
Ma'am, I have a long leaf with me. Excuse me, can you remove the spotlight of Bhuvan Lakshmi?
Yes, spotlighted Bhuvan Lakshmi.
Ma'am, on the top.
Okay, now it's
Ma'am, I have got
Now go on.
See children, you don't write it now. It will take time. You take the screenshot of it. Okay. So the
Am I right?
definition-
Ma'am, it's already there in the textbook also.
textbook also it is given. So types of leaf venation. Those who want, you can write. Otherwise, if you can write it down in the textbook, from the textbook, it is very clear. What do you mean by parallel venation and the reticulate venation? Okay. So the veins in which plants with the fibrous roots. Why do we call fibrous? Because veins are very narrow roots. That is why we call them as a fibrous roots. So are parallel to each other along the length of the leaf. So which is called parallel venation. And leaf reticulate have tap roots. Why tap roots? Because they have their veins are little more thicker. Actually, the long leaves.
Like
So the
TNT?
veins form net-like design. You have seen
banana leaves. So it,
reticulated venation has so
Yes,
many
ma'am.
branches. No, one single vein you can see so many narrow tap roots are formed. So that is known as reticulate venation. Shall I change the slide, children? You can read from the textbook. Okay. So by this week I'll send you the notes also.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have
Yes.
a long leaf without dried. I have a long leaf without dried.
Okay, okay. It's okay. Anyway, everyone have seen it, Angelina. So let us continue with the portions. Now, next moving
Yes,
on,
ma'am.
functions of the leaf. Next heading, I'm going a little bit faster because we are very.
Can you take a screenshot of this also?
Yes, you can take it.
okay, ma'am. I took it.
Okay. See, but this is little more detail. I'll be given in a short form later. First, we have learned about functions of the leaf. Now, next heading. Now, you have already learned different parts of the leaf. And we come to know different types of venation arrangements. Now, we are moving on to the functions of the leaf. Okay. Functions of the leaf, there are mainly two functions. Photosynthesis and transpiration. This is what the Weigeri meant. No, photosynthesis also she spoke about it, and the transpiration also spoke about it.
Transpiration, it means that the water will go.
So photosynthesis means it is a process of making food by the plants. So what is photosynthesis? You can just write the name of the functions. We will learn the detail, and I'll tell you certain things to write down as a point wise that you will write now. Okay. So photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? It is the process of making food by the leaves. By the leaves or by the plants with the help of leaves. Actually, it is
It
the
will
photosynthesis is the
attract the sun's sunlight.
right photosynthesis. What I am writing now. So first we will learn photosynthesis. It is this you can write. It is the process of
It's the process of making food by plants.
making food by the plants with whose help? With the help of leaf. If there is no leaf, they cannot help. But you know, cactus, that thorny leaf, thorny plants, they don't have leaves. But the stem is act like a leaf actually.
Yes, ma'am. In deserts.
Yes. That
Cactus.
is a cactus we call kalli chedi. No?
I
Thorny-
have a doubt, ma'am.
I mean, also also cactus is the group of
Yes.
cactus.
Malambura Dam group.
That is why
Near
cactus are very
my
common,
ancestor.
very common in desert also very
Ma'am,
common. We
excuse
can
me,
see big
yes.
cactus over there. Other plants you may not see, but cactus you
Ma'am,
will
in
see on the
cactus,
desert.
Ma'am, in
There
our
will be,
neighborhood there is a
inside-
cactus.
Yes,
Ma'am,
and we
ex-
have plenty of show plants cactus in our home, no? Round one, long one,
Ma'am, I
thin
have
one.
it.
And
Yeah.
of the mud fake also.
Ah,
Ma'am,
yes.
inside cactus some water is stored.
Okay. Now, what are the essential conditions
Excuse
for
me, ma'am.
photosynthesis? Next heading.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, so some leaf have purple color, right? So what
That is
process is that?
show plants, but they also prepare the food. That is what we are going to listen. How do they prepare?
Okay, ma'am.
Essential conditions for photosynthesis. Number one is chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll is an essential condition. You will see chlorophyll only on the plants which is fresh. Dried leaves, you will not see the chlorophyll. Okay.
Ma'am, chlorophyll is a chemical which give
Yeah, it is
That is
green color.
chloroform. That is
Green in color.
chloroform. Chloroform is different. Chlorophyll is
Some
different.
if we
Okay, ma'am, I got confused.
that smell, we will like.
I know you are about to say chloroform, no? That is making someone to unconscious. Okay.
Yes,
Uh,
ma'am.
the-
Chlorophyll means green in color. No, like that way.
So chlorophyll, sunlight, carbon dioxide, water. These are the essential conditions for photosynthesis. If this is not happening, especially chlorophyll is very important. Okay, very important for the plants. So what is chlorophyll?
Ma'am, should we write this all?
This you write because this I am giving in a short form. Chlorophyll is the green.
Instead of this written in this board,
Yes. It is the green pigment on the leaf. Green pigment on the leaf. That is actually chlorophyll is the thing mainly giving color.
Ma'am, your voice is very low.
Chlorophyll is the content which gives color to the leaves. Okay. Like a green leaf has more chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is outside. So that's why it is seen in green color. Now some of you ask me, ma'am, what about purple color and red color plants?
Yes,
They
ma'am.
also have chlorophyll, but it is covered by that color. It is under that
Yeah.
color.
They
They
all
also
plants
have
have chlorophyll, green in color.
Yes. Yeah. So we have plants like cotton silk in many different colors we have. Correct.
I mean,
So
so many
they
ways to
also have a chlorophyll, but it is covered under the color. So if there is no chlorophyll, what will happen? Slowly the leaves will start drying. So once chlorophyll is used to prepare the food, that is the reason after some time a leaf is slowly getting ripe and afterwards it dry and it will fall down. So once chlorophyll is over from the leaf, it will die. And instead of that leaf, how the plants will survive? They will produce new leaves from the shoot.
New leaf.
Yeah.
Yes,
Shoot
ma'am.
is that. Okay. A plant has root and shoot. So root will help new shoots to come up. So the old leaf will use all the chlorophyll and it will die or it
Right.
will dry and fall down. In order to maintain this process of photosynthesis, the plants will produce other new leaves and that process continues. Okay. So what?
Mm.
Tell me. Gautam, you about to say something?
ma'am, can you move some up?
Okay.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in roses and all, when a new shoot came, it will not be in green color, right? It will be in red color.
That's what I am telling you, the red color is covering the chlorophyll. Okay. So without the chlorophyll, the plants will not grow. Even money plant, they will grow without the soil. You see money plant, you keep it
Yes,
in the
ma'am,
water
yes.
and inside the house also money plant will grow.
It will no, yeah, it will
It's
grow.
not necessarily the
echoing.
soil, but it has chlorophyll content. If there is no
Try
chlorophyll,
mute.
money plant
Try.
will not grow. Correct?
It's from you.
Okay, children. So I wind up the session now. Time up.
From Freya, high echo is.